In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product catalog in Stripe. We'll walk through the process of adding a new product to your Stripe account so it appears in your product catalog and is ready for use. This is a helpful setup step if you're selling physical goods, digital products, subscriptions, or services, and you want to keep everything organized directly inside Stripe. To begin, log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main admin area where you can manage payments, customers, and products. Make sure you're in the correct account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one business or workspace. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on Product Catalog. This is the section where Stripe stores all of the products you create, making it easier to manage pricing and keep your offerings structured in one place. Once you're in the Product Catalog area, click Create Product. This will open the product creation page, where you'll enter the basic information for the item you want to add. Start by entering a name for your product. Choose a clear and recognizable name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple products or pricing options. After that, you can optionally add more details. You may include a description to provide extra context, upload an image if you want a visual reference, and select a product category if that fits your workflow. These fields are not always required, but they can help keep your catalog more informative and organized. Then move to the pricing section. Here, choose whether the product will use recurring pricing or one-off pricing. Recurring is typically used for subscriptions or ongoing services, while one-off is best for a single purchase. Next, enter the product price, select the currency, and configure any additional pricing options available on the page. Take a moment here to review everything carefully, since pricing details directly affect how customers will be charged. When everything looks correct, click Add Product. Stripe will save the product and add it to your catalog. Finally, return to the product catalog and verify that your new product appears in the list. This quick check helps confirm that the product was created successfully and that all of its details are now part of your Stripe catalog. That's it. You've successfully created a product in Stripe and added it to your product catalog. Thanks for watching.